Hi again. Now, after you've learned how to visualize a time chart, a structured chart, and also a table including visualizations and headers, and also inline comments, it's not the end of TrueChart, because TrueChart also allows you to integrate small multiples. Small multiples are visualizing charts over different categories. What that means, let me show you in a second. For that, I'm just going to create a new page, page 2, initialize again a TrueChart custom visual, make it a bit bigger. And what I want to show is I want to show the different countries we have. And for those different countries, I want to show within one visual the development of the actual over time. So I'm going to include the countries and the month for it. And one measure, that's the actual. Let's just do that. So because this is special and we're using hierarchies for that, we're going to extend those, and therefore let's just integrate the country as well as the month and one of our measures, the actual. Let's minimize that again, pull that a bit bigger, and as always, go into the focus mode. Now, as you can see right now, you have the three different possibilities of charts to create: a table, time, and a structured chart. We've already done that. So in the next step, let's see how to utilize the small multiples. For that, please go onto the expand button of TrueChart that expands your hierarchy down to the next level, utilizing both. So we're not jumping to the next level, but expanding it, giving more information to the custom visual. Let's do that. And as soon as you do that, you'll see the multiple section here is dark, so you can actually click on it. Let's just do that. This is the initial screen. This is the starting screen for our small multiples. But you might comment, right? Hey, this is not a time chart. Hey, this is not sorted. And we're going to tackle that in a few seconds. What the small multiple does is it shows for all three cities in this case, but you can choose different contexts that you would like. This is just an example. In this case, we have three cities that we want to depict in one visual. And therefore, for each of these cities, we want to scale. We want to have the same scaling over the year. So we want to show the year for those three cities. Let's see how we can change how it looks. First of all, I'm always jumping to the data section. This is just for the sorting in this case. I'm leaving out the total, I'm leaving out the rest. You guys know already about it. So let's jump to the month and let's sort it ascending by itself. As you can see, it will be directly switched, will be sorted in the correct way. Now we want to transition from a structured chart to a time chart to make things right and follow IBCS. That's pretty easy done. Let's again jump to the cell section, go into the small multiple editor, and here you're going to see that's again our old user interface. This will be transitioned to the new user interface in one of the next releases of TrueChart for Power BI. And it's pretty easy now to switch from a structure chart to a time chart. As you can see right here, you have the different types. Just click on the time chart, however you would like it, click on apply, on OK, and you're ready to go. Now you can see the scaling is not right at the moment. Let's just quickly do that for the eye. Let's go to data, measure, actual, and again, put in the right scaling to thousands or maybe even millions and add 2 decimals to it. Just do it, go OK, go back to the report. And now you can see you have those 3 visualizations in one single custom visual that will scale however you pull it up, pull it down accordingly. Now, another thing, what I want to deintegrate, what I want to delete is the actual here because everything is depicting the same measure. As always, right-click, go to Cell and Content, open, in this case, the small multiple editor, go to Measures, and what we want to tackle is the description of the measure. So click on Description, and as you can see here, This is the value label and the legend label. And let's just exclude the legend label. Go and apply, and the AC will be vanished. And that's how you create small multiples within TrueChart for Power BI.